Tuesday is now a First Alert weather day. I'm WSMV 4 First Alert meteorologist Dan Thomas. We do expect some showers and storms on Tuesday moving in from the north. In well northeast of Nashville, there could be a strong storm or two that generates some strong gusty wind, maybe some hail as well. So we're talking late afternoon into the evening time frame as a cold front approaches. Tuesday looks like a much warmer day than Monday because of a south breeze bringing in more warmth and instability. So because of that, we've got to watch the skies late Tuesday into Tuesday evening. Stay with WSMV 4 and the First Alert weather team.